Here are 5 key areas to consider changing if you aspire to build wealth. Mindset. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to learn, adapt, and overcome challenges. Cultivate a positive attitude. Focus on opportunities, solutions, and possibilities. Develop financial discipline. Prioritize saving, investing, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Habits. Prioritize learning. Dedicate time to acquiring new skills and knowledge. Practice delayed gratification. Resist impulsive spending and focus on long-term goals. Build strong relationships. Network with like-minded individuals and mentors. Financial management. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify areas for improvement. Invest wisely. Research different investment options and diversify your portfolio. Reduce debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt to free up financial resources. Career path. Identify your passions. Pursue a career that aligns with your interests and strengths. Continuously develop your skills. Stay updated on industry trends and acquire new certifications. Network strategically. Build relationships with influential people in your field. Risk tolerance. Embrace calculated risks. Step outside your comfort zone and pursue opportunities. Learn from failures. Use setbacks as learning experiences to grow and improve. Diversify your income streams. Explore multiple sources of income to reduce financial risk. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Consistent effort, discipline, and a long-term perspective are key to achieving financial success.